Mam Sisulu challenge. She is telling the truth. Truth sounds like violence, disrespect or even terrorism to those who hate truth. Speak it anyway. Hello, PPMO ecosystem. There is one thing nobody can dispute about Mam Sisulu's open letter. She is telling the truth. People have questioned her motivation, political campaign, her family benefiting from this constitution, the timing, why she's still in the ANC, how does she write this while benefiting at a privileged position of a minister, etc. One that is noise, when doing data quality analyses. Remove the noise. Ask yourself one simple question. Is she lying? The answer is no. She is exposing the truth about our constitution. Like her or hate her, she is telling the truth. Fact is, Mam Sisulu has exposed the root cause of your native displacement from land and economy. She has empowered you and the next generation with knowledge and data to make better informed decisions going forward. She has empowered the native more than any democratically elected president. Stop wasting time trying to discover what motivated her. Exposing the truth does not make her innocent on the ruling party's crimes against the native. But take this information, analyze it and use it to make informed decisions. The challenge is very simple. Go to PPMO Ecosystem YouTube channel. On the dashboard, select Playlist. Then select Constitution and Land Issue Playlist. We have looked at the Constitution from a practical project outcomes view. You watch those video clips. You will see she hit the nail on the head. She is telling the truth. It's important to watch with an open mind. Cognitive dissonance may affect those new to the other side of the coin. I know most of you see this, but if not now, you will soon. The challenge is on, get involved. Thandi here. Awesome, have a great one.